Today we're going to change the battery on this BMW 750i. Let's get started. Out of the trunk, we can start by removing this inner trunk panel. Little 10mm plastic nuts. Lift that out. And we'll see if we can get this out of here. Previous owner put a battery tender on here, or we can move it aside. Alright, we'll disconnect the negative. Set it aside. And the positive has this little door here. Let's loosen that up. I'm going to disconnect the battery from its hold down. Give us a little more room to work. The interstate. Pop this off the old battery here and put it into the new one. Right here. Get the vent hooked up. Take the guard off the battery there. And we'll reinstall our positive. Put this intelligent battery sensor stuff in the way. I didn't have to disturb any of this. I just carefully took the whole thing off of the assembly. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the positive here. It's all in place. Now I can take the guard off the negative terminal. That in. Got our dome light back. Nice and snug, not too tight. Put our battery hold down back in. I left the battery tender hooked up just in case I want to hook that up if we're going to leave the car sit for a while. This one's a daily driver. Not a bad idea to have jumper cables in a daily driver in Minnesota. And you got to have a good battery in these things, or you get the battery message on the dashboard all the time. So that's why we're in here. That's it. And we just got to tell it has a new battery. All right, we're going to hook up here. I got the launch tool. It's the Land Rover one. I just downloaded BMW for it, so we're going to try that out. Alright, so I was able to change the battery. I was able to register it with my launch scan tool. And I was also able to change the size of the battery with the scan tool. This one was set up as a 105 amp, and it had a 95 amp battery in it. So that may be why I was getting the battery message, but that's the battery that was in it when we got the vehicle. So it was probably time for replacement anyways. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, whatever.